This is how to make admin commands in Roblox Studio in 2025. In this video, I'll show you how to do 4 commands in only a few minutes. The first one is fire, which will set your player that you want to on fire, like this. The next is /kill, which will obviously just kill the player. And then there's /TP or /teleport, either one works. And you can choose who you want to teleport and then where you want to teleport them to. So I'll teleport this player right here to me, like this. And as you can see, he's teleported to me. The final command is /kick, which will kick the player from the game, like that. So now I'll show you how to make it. First off, you need to find server script service, click the plus, and then click script. Once you've got that, you need to rename it to something to do with admin commands so that you don't get confused with other things. It doesn't actually matter what you name it, but just do something related to admin commands. So make sure you watch to the end because I'll show you the most important part, which is changing this to your specific number. And anyways, I'll scroll through the script slowly in case you want to copy it down, or I'll also just put this whole thing in the description so you can copy it. While I'm scrolling through this, make sure you like and subscribe. Also, comment what you like about this video or what I should improve. And I also added these comments with AI into the script, which helps tell you what each part does. So make sure to look at them if you want to understand how the script works and how you can change it a bit. So I've done them for all of these main parts as well as the things inside of them, and big subheadings and titles for each part. Anyways, now I'll show you what you need to change to make it work for you. Make sure you don't skip this part of the video, otherwise it's just not going to work. So here, where it says your user ID, right now that's mine. If you do that, it won't work for you, it'll only work for me. So to change that, first go to roblox.com. Then once you're loaded into that, click on profile over here on the left navigation menu. So click on that right here. Then once that's loaded, make sure this is your profile, not someone else's, that it matches your username and display name. Then what you need to do is up here in the link on whatever browser you're using, it'll have this whole link, but what you want to copy is these numbers right here. Right click it and then click copy. Then you want to delete this number right here if you copied and pasted my script from before, and then enter in your new number that we just copied. And then if you want to give more people access to it, not just one with admin commands, then you can put their user ID here and separate them all by commas, and that's it. Also, I'll just tell you a few things about this so you don't need to ask it in the comments. So first, I'll just show you all the commands again so that you don't have to go back into the video or go back in the video to find them. First one is /fire, then player name. Also, you don't need to put the full player name. If you just put the first part of it, as long as no one else has the same name, then it will work. My username is Braden12671, but you can just do the first part of the name. However, usernames do not work. Usernames do work, display names don't. So I can do my display name and then that won't work because it doesn't check that. But if I do the first part of my username, it will work. So that was the first commands, fire and kill. The next command is /TP or /teleport. You can use either one. So what you want to do then is the person who you want to teleport. So I'll say victim and then also destination. So do the player first and then the destination. So if you want to teleport someone to yourself, do their name and then your name. And then the last command is /kick. Then do their player name. And that's it. Also, it is not case sensitive, so you don't need to worry about doing capital letters or specific lowercase letters. You can do it all capital or lowercase, it doesn't matter. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment. Bye.